Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to get two achievements, Lamp and Hot Pursuit. For Hot Pursuit, you're going to want to be in a Chaos Canyon, this map right here, because it's the best zip line for this. So for Hot Pursuit, all you have to do is just go pretty fast, jump high, and then get right then. It'll make you go really fast down, and if you hit it just right, it'll give you Hot Pursuit. Now second, the other one is Lamp. It's really simple. All you gotta do is hit a lamp. Just go up here and hit it like once. It'll make that really loud bell noise once you hit it, and I'll show you that you got it. Now just know, if you're trying to get these achievements like I am in a private server, you can't actually get in a private server. I'm just showing it for videos. I'm just trying to make it easier. But you cannot get achievements in private servers. But thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna be doing probably one more video on this for the two other achievements. Yolks, I can't remember exactly what they're called, but I'll be making one video on those. They're one of the more difficult achievements, and once I figure out exactly how to do it, I'll get a video on it. But thanks for watching, and see you on another video.